Open Burp Suite. As soon as it launches, you will see an interface asking you to create or open a project. In the Community Edition, the only option available is to create a new temporary project in memory. So select that and click Next. Keep the configuration settings as Burp Defaults and click Start Burp. Wait for Burp to fully start up. Once the main interface is ready, look at the top right menu bar and click on Extensions. BApp Store. Search for JWT Editor in the BApp Store search box. Click on JWT Editor from the results and press Install. After installation, check the Install tab to confirm it's listed there. You'll also notice a new JWT Editor tab has appeared on Burp's tab bar, meaning the installation was successful.